Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. From sprawling pine cultivations to hands-on farm activities, in this week's edition of the Business Review, we take you on a trip to explore Pisgah Farm in St. Elizabeth.
As far as the eyes can see, this land is awash of over 100 acres of pineapple, which began with one plant from the grandfather of O'Neill Brissett, CEO of Pisgah Pineapple Farm Tours.
He take the cowboy from a different community that they call Hamity. So when he take it here, they used to mock him and like, oh, you're carrying in pingy coming in the era.
2 generations later, Mr. Brissett is building on that legacy. At just 13 years old, he was entrusted with 2,000 acres of the land, a responsibility that shaped his future.
I have a brother in the US, so I always phone up and call him, and because I call him often, the people who are around him always like, oh, I want to come on the farm. So at the time I didn't have anything as attraction to my knowledge, so I said I have a donkey. And I saw somebody dress up a donkey, so I said I'm going to dress up the donkey and do that.
Today, he has transformed this section of the land into a unique tourist attraction, offering visitors an immersive farm-to-table experience.
But when they come, we like prepare seasonal fruit for them, and then we'll do some roasting. We'll roast like whatever we have on the farm, just like when my grandparents was on the farm. And the first hike, they learn about the farm and the history that my grandparents left behind. And then afterward, we go back, eat some more fruits, and then hike where the spring is.
U.S. National Maria shared her experience.
The fruits that we were given by Tomalo, it's so refreshing. The pineapple so sweet. And also about the soap bush, you know, experiencing it and using it to wash your hand, especially if you have eczema. So I've learned a lot today, and I'll be coming back.
While tourism provides an additional stream of revenue, the farmer remains deeply rooted in traditional pineapple cultivation.
It's a cooperative of, family member, so everyone have their own little share because it's like 13 brothers and sisters, and they shared up with all the kids.
Despite the farm's rich legacy, pineapple cultivation hasn't always been sweet.
To take the pineapple out of the field, because it's not everywhere the road is good on the pineapple field. So and because we are in the mountain, the land is not flat. So we have to go way down in the gully, take it up from our head, and then to get it in the vehicle. So that's like the main challenge.
But beyond its economic value, pineapple is a powerhouse of nutrients.
You just eat something, you can actually eat pineapple because it's good for digestion.
With this in mind, Mr. Brissett is eager to extract even more tastiness as he's seeking to expand his operations.
I see people turning the leaves to make like cloths, to make clothes and stuff like that. So and we could build like a factory. Those can be options in the future.
For the Business Review, I'm Deidre Thomas.